Good afternoon and welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a 22 white Transit Connect with a mini T conversion. This also comes with the optional awning and crossbars. On the roof you find over-the-air antenna, solar, max air fan. Inside you find dual house batteries, 2000 watt inverter, microwave, refrigerator, sink, TV, DVD player, a couch that pulls out into a 43 by 72 inch bed, you also get front curtains, front WeatherTech sunshades, WeatherTech floor mats, underbed storage, Ford Pass that allows you to start your phone or car wherever you have cell service. Check out our available inventory at www.dlm-distribution.com or give us a call 651-285-7089. These work great for travel vans, camper vans, whether you're camping in snow or traveling to the south. Happy camping!